Good morning. It is around 7 a.m. So yesterday, we lost our drone. It flew back to home with some battery life, but it was so windy that it really wasn't moving and the battery was draining. At about 500 meters, it just landed at 10% battery left. So we spent a good part of 2 hours yesterday trying to find it in the forest, and although I knew where it's just really hard to get to. It wasn't raining last night when we stopped the search, but it started to rain later on in the evening, and right now it's still raining and it's really foggy out. But they say the fog clears up at around 7:15, 7:30, and Raj, our guide, has a friend who knows the trails even better than he does, and he says he would help us find it. So I've got high hopes. Okay, and we're off. Beach is supposed to be a big problem here, so if you do come into the forest, make sure you're fully covered, or you've got some sort of repellent, because they're literally bloodsuckers.
Good morning.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Okay. So we have the drone. We stopped to get some oranges, got rid of our leeches, and now we're heading back. Alright, so I'm just changing the propellers. Now that we've gotten it back, we've dried it up, and it looks okay. Except the propellers are absolutely destroyed. Each one of them. So in one way or another, whether they're chipped or cracked but they are destroyed. The only real problem that I can see is the gimbal doesn't seem to be connected to the app, so I'm just gonna wait for it to fully dry. Take the battery out. I don't think I'm gonna be flying it for a while, but I'm just happy to have her back. So because of our search and rescue operation this morning, we don't have enough time to go on our full second day trek. So the driver's on his way over to pick us up, and we're just gonna go head back to Candy. But on the way, we're gonna stop at some rice fields, and yeah.
Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye, thank you. Bye, bye-bye. Bye, thank you. Lunchtime.
Some nice spicy gravy.
Try it.
Thank you.
Good. Very good. Thank you. Thank you. Oh. So each plant yields about 80 to 100 grams of rice, and certain areas are designated for the village. Each villager has their own section, which is really cool. So at the end, they all work together to harvest, and then you take what is equally yours.